student in your WhatsApp group because I'm not recording. I cannot recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry, doctor.
Thank you. Okay, we started. We know that in the previous section, we know that we have an MDP process in the RL and other topic about this. We know some question and answer some question in the RL. The first is how does the environment transition to the next state, and the second is how does the agent pick the action. We have some component in the RL and MDP process. What component of MDP? Who can ask me?
Please
What is the
again.
component of the MDP? Who can ask me? Ask me, please.
I have
About agent or about what?
About MDP. What is the
MDP.
component of MDP in the RL process? We have 5 components in the MDP.
Yes.
What is it?
We have agent and action and state and environment. Agent,
Another?
agent, environment, state, action.
And?
Transaction probability.
No, and reward. Okay?
Reward, yes.
And reward.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Other student, what is the agent? Who can ask me? Who can answer? Who can answer? What is the agent? What means of the agent?
The agent is like example, he's the report.
No, Mr. Ghazwan, please.
Yes,
please,
okay.
Please, Mr. Ghazwan. Other student, answer me. You know, I know that you know, but other student should be answer me.
Doctor,
you have
answer
my
you need answer,
sound?
doctor.
Yes, I need answer. I ask for you that what is the agent? What means of agent? Who can answer me?
Doctor,
Doctor, the agent is the algorithm that works in background.
One, please, one body.
Yes.
One by one,
I'm
please.
safe. Yes, doctor. Can I answer?
Yes?
The agent is the algorithm that works in the background.
Is the algorithm. Yeah.
Yes.
Is the main AI algorithm, okay? What is the main goal of agent? Or what is the main goal of RL? In the process of MDP or in the processing of some opposite and some time step, what is the main goal of RL?
The mean of the goal for RL should be find the good result.
What result?
For agent.
We know the good result. For agent. So,
yes.
So we are goal that learning agent, okay?
Yes.
During
Yes.
the time by feedback from the environment.
Yes.
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 So the main goal, we know that the main goal of RL is
Doctor,
the learning the agent from during the time from receiving feedback, negative or positive feedback from environment. Okay.
Doctor, can we
For example,
say
in the game. Yes.
yeah, we can say also uh, learning to take a decision or perfect decision through the try
Mhm.
and error.
Yes, but this decision about agent make this decision, yes?
Yes, yes, but the main goal of RL it's the
Yes,
learn the agent take a perfect decision through the try
exactly,
and error.
Yes, he's
exactly.
right.
Yes, we know this in this lecture. Okay, and what is the action? The review. I ask this question to review the previous text, okay? And what is the action? Who can answer me? Other
That-
student.
Uh, it's
No
the
other student.
can I answer,
Answer.
doctor?
No other student.
Yes.
I can be now what student is active and what is not active only was online. Okay,
Doctor,
other we have 43 or a student online in the class, okay? But
yes.
only 2 or 3 student is active. Why?
Doctor, can I answer?
Yes, answer Ali Saad. Yes, Ali Saad
Uh,
answer.
Doctor, an action is something an agent does to interact with the environment.
What? Please explain more.
In action, Doctor,
I don't know.
is something an agent does in interact.
The
What
doing.
agent does, what an agent does in response to what it perceive from the environment.
Mm, no, only response. Action is an act. Is a
Can I
acting
answer
of
you?
agent. Okay, the acting of
Yeah,
an
Doctor.
agent that be done, and then send this to the environment to take
Yeah,
response from environment. Okay.
yeah, right, Doctor. Okay, okay.
Mhm. And what is environment? Agent, we know agent, we know action, and what is environment? Who can answer what is environment or what is the state?
The
Which
state.
example is better?
Can I answer, doctor?
No. No. Me and you, no.
No, no other student, no answer? Mrs. Mrs. موجودة.
Current state is input to the agent.
Mrs. حورة علي حورة Mrs. منار غفران. م? مين يقدر يجاوب؟ مين كانت
ولا شلون؟
البارحة توضح كانت explain ميسيس غفران؟
غادة قيس yesterday.
غادة
غادة قيس.
موجودة يانا؟ لا ما موجودة.
السلام عليكم
عليكم السلام.
دكتورة نورة، شلونك عيني؟
الحمد لله. مستر ياسين.
الحمد لله على سلامتكم. اي بلي، الحمد لله على سلامتكم. عظم الله اجوركم باستشهاد السيد رحمة الله عليه. واسال الله
يسلمك.
السلامة لكم ان شاء الله والنصر ان شاء الله حق محمد وال محمد. احنا قلوبنا وياكم والله دكتورة، الحمد لله على سلامتكم.
Thank you very much.
الله يبارك بعمركم ان شاء الله ويدفع عنكم البلاء ان شاء الله ومنصورين بحق محمد وال محمد.
إن شاء الله يقين.
وجهودكم مشكورة ان شاء الله وجزاكم الله الف خير. حبيت انه اسلم عليك والله دكتور، الله يبارك بعمرك.
Thank you very much.
شكرا جزيلا.
Okay. ما يجاوب أحد؟ No answering? Anyone?
About environment and state.
About environment and state, yes.
I can answer.
Dave can answer
Yes,
you and me I can
answer.
answer you.
Answer,
It's the
Mr. Singh.
environment. The environment mean the word or the system that acts with the agent.
Yes. Yes, it's the word that that opponent with the
With the
agent.
agent.
Yes. And what is the state?
The state,
The state
is the
is the all description, or is the description or the current description, or full current description. Yes, for this environment in the sometimes.
Yeah. It's a situation.
يعني بالعربي خلينا نقولها الحالة للروبوت. الحالة للروبوت يعني الحالة الموجودة
لا،
بها
هو
الروبوت.
وصف الحالة للبيئة، وصف حالة كامل
environment البيئة.
خلال لحظة معينة.
environment البيئة. الستيت هي
طيب.
الحالة للروبوت بداخل البيئة. Yes.
وصفها.
وصف. Yes. وصف. description.
الكرنت
Okay, thank you. Mr. Saif,
Yes.
you can explain in Arabic all of this about MDP and RL in the summary that we can explain in the previous lecture. In the Arabic, I can do you in the Arabic explain it in the summary, very summary.
Yes, for what, please, Doctor? I can explain the MVP for what?
MTB with one example is better in Arabic, but in Arabic.
Yes,
for others.
example for yes. The MVP.
If you can explain
المثال.
which example is better. Okay.
اشرح
Yes.
مثال على MDP بالعربي.
يعني شوفوا اخوان الام دي بي بالضبط.
اشرح مثال بالعربي حتى يفهموا الطلاب.
اي واضح. الام في بي يعني كمثال هسه احنا عندنا شلون اعطيكم شلون اصور لكم اياه. مثلا روبوت مال حريق، خلينا نقول روبوت يتحس الحريق، هذا الروبوت مزودين بسنسرز وانا يعني كاتبين به خوارزميه مثلا بالذكاء الصناعي تميز الحريق وتوجه هذا الروبوت باتجاهه. زين اللي يصير شنو عندي اني؟ اللي يصير عندي انه هنا أنا من اجي ابني هاي الخوارزميه راح انا عندي مجموعه تكون يعني اراعيها بهذا مع ار شنو انا مره الروبوت المفروض يطلع ويعالج هذا الحريق، الغاز مال اطفاء مثلا مي او باودر او اي شيء ثاني. فهنا هاي الغرفه انا عندي كبيره وبيها حواجز هوايه، فالمفروض انه شنو يصير عندي؟ يصير عندي تعلم للروبوت شلون يجتاز هاي الحواجز اللي بالغرفه لحين ما يوصل للحريق هذا ويعالجه. وهذا طبعا شلون راح يتعلمه؟ اكيد ما راح يقدر انه من مره واحده يوصل للنقطه مال الحريق ويطفيها. لازم شنو؟ يبقى عندي نظام محاولات، اول مره انه صح، بعدين خطا، بعدين صح، بعدين خطا، الى ان يوصل عندي مسار كامل من الصح، بحيث يبدي انطلاق الروبوت من نقطه اكس يوصل الى نقطه واي اللي هو الديستنيشن مالته. هذا
سيف
بما يخص موضوع الام في بي.
سيف
نعم.
عندك هنا هذا المثال مال الروبوت بالنسبة لعملية الإطفاء. هنا يكون غير قابل لعدة محاولات، لأن الموضوع به خطورة جدا عالية، فيكون السنسر مال هذا
يعني هو
الموضوع مال هذا
مثال،
الروبوت
يعني قلت
يكون
لك هو مثال.
يتحمل الدرجات، يقرأ الدرجات العالية. على العموم أوكي، يعني شرحك إن شاء الله كلش حلو، عاشت يدك. بس هو يعني عذرا لو قاطعك أنت والدكتورة، أكو فكرة للام دي بي. هي شنو هي؟ هو الام دي بي مختصر مال مايكروسوفت ديسيشن بي. الفكره شنو؟ الايجنت اللي هو الوكيل يكون بالبدايه لازم يحدد فد فعل يختاره، فد فعل معين يحدده، وبعدين يحدد ورا ما يحدد هذا الفعل اللي هو تارجت او الهدف، ينتقل الى الحاله الجديده بعد ما يحدد الفعل، حتى عمود يحصل على المكافآت. وكل ما يحصل على مكافاه اعلى معناته هو اختار سلسله الافعال الصحيحه اكثر. هاي مختصر مالتها.
العفو شيخ. هي افضل شيء هو لعبه الشطرنج. تبين عندك الايجنت راح تكون هي خلينا نقول البيدق والوزير والقلعه، شايفه بلعبه الشطرنج.
اكيد
هذا
اكيد اكيد.
الانفايرمنت، البيئه اللي هي
اللوحه مال الشطرنج نفسها فعلا.
بالضبط
فعلا.
بالضبط.
الستيت هي الحركات مال كل لاعب بالشطرنج.
الستيت الكرنت بوزيشن مثلا اليوم عندك مثلا الملك، الكرنت بوزيشن وين مالته؟ راح يطلع عندك انت شنو الستيت مالته. الستيت مالته
وراح تصير عندك
استاذ حسين،
يمين او يسار.
العفو استاذ حسين، من رخصتكم انت واستاذ غزوان، هي المساله المفروض يعني تشرحها بهالطريقه قدرا، يعني انه هو الام دي بي من شنو يتكون بالضبط؟ كام دي بي يتكون المفروض من 5 عناصر اساسيه.
ايجنت.
اول شيء الستيت. لا قبل الايجنت خوي. اول شيء عندي ستيت. الستيت هو شيء يمثل لي شكو حاله ممكنه تصير.
الحاله
شكو شيء اقدر اني اسويه، كل حاله ممكنه تصير هاي تكون بالستيت. هاي رقم واحد. رقم اثنين الاكشن. من بعد ما احصيت كل الحالات اللي ممكن تصير، هنا أنا لازم احصي كل القرارات اللي ممكن تصير.
تمام.
وقبل الاكشن العفو الايجنت هو راح يسوي.
هو من يمثل هاي الحالات؟ اللي ينفذ هاي الحالات منو؟
استاذي
حكيك صحيح استاذ سيد.
قلب
اللي يمثل هاي الحالات كلها منو؟
الايجنت احنا منتهين منه.
هو اللي ينفذها.
هذا كله يشتغل داخل ايجنت. هذا كله
اللي
يشتغل
ينفذ
داخل
الايجنت.
بس الام دي بي كمفهوم هو مو بالضروره يتمثل داخل ايجنت. كمفهوم مو بالضروره يتمثل داخل ايجنت. وضحت؟
نعم.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. يعني أكثر الشرح كان زين وصح، بس فد كلام اللي هسه لا يعني أقدر أقول عربي، أقول لا بالإنجليزي. اللي نقدر نقول له هذا اللي مو كل ال MDP على agent، بس الهدف مال RL احنا نعلم agent على يعني حل الصحيح. اوكي. اول شيء عندنا state. اوكي، عندنا state اللي يوصف يعني input. بعدين عندنا agent يشوف الstate وهو يقرر what action is be done. اوكي. هو يقرر الأكشن وينتخب best action. but شلون ينتخب؟ احنا عندنا هنا policy مو راندوم. يقدر ينتخب راندوم، يقدر ينتخب يعني أسرع شيء، أو يقدر يعني best شيء. yes. بس هو لازم يعني ينتخب فد أكشن اللي أحسن شيء. شلون؟ هذا يصير policy. هسه اليوم احنا نشوف هذا شلون ينتخب الاكشن. خو هذا يصير policy. What action يعني send to the environment. احنا عندنا environment مثل مثال شطرنج، كل صفحة شطرنج هي ال environment. Opponent is the environment that opponent can be selected the next state. Okay, next state selected by the environment, and environment take reward for action can be sending by the agent from it. Okay, get reward, and this reward feed back to the agent again to repeat the time step, to repeat another time step. In each during the some time step, the agent can be learn the right actions and right way to be take the terminal state, okay, or to be win in the games, for example.
Right.
But the question, the main question in this duration is this: how does the agent pick the action? It is very important that the action
By
that
policy.
it pick up by agent is the good. If the action is the good, it can be receive a high rewarded from environment, and it can be reached to a terminal state by the better state, by the better rewarded in the decreased time. Okay. So this is the very important question that we can see this in this lecture. Okay. On the other hand, we know to answer this question, what does the environment transition to next state? We can use the cube of the matrix, that this is the probability of the transition from a state to action. Okay. But how can we answer this question, and how can we pick up the best action from agent? We are very interested to how the agent decided what action to pick in the given state. Okay. In the this situation, this current state, which action is be selected? That is the in fact previously in the RL problem that we went to solve it. It is very important for RL. To solve it and to answer this question, we can firstly know three concepts: return, policy, and value. First of all, what is return? The return is the total reward over all the time step. I know that we have some time step in the opposite, okay? And each time step, we have received reward from environment. The total reward over all time step in one opposite, we know this is the return. We call this is the return, okay? As the agent execution time steps, it accumulative reward there in each time step, or in some time steps that finish in opposite. However, rather than any individual reward, what we really care about the cumulative reward. We show this picture. This is the time step. This is the time step state. Action. This is one time step, and in each time step we have a reward. This is one reward, this is one reward, and this is one reward. And this is a opposite. Opposite is started with a start state, initial state, to terminal state. In this opposite we have some state action, some state action, okay? And we have some reward there. The cumulative reward there, or the total rewarded, is a return. Okay, in each time step we have received some reward, is one reward, and one reward. But the total reward of R0, R1, and R2 in this eposit is a return. It's called return. It is the total reward or return. The return is a total of rewards received at each time step. Okay? Return is very important. Return is computed using discount reward. What is discount reward is? When we calculate return, rather than simply adding up all the rewards, we apply a discount factor. This discount factor, gamma, is a weight. The rewarder that we reach sooner has a higher weight or higher discount factor, and the rewarder that we take later has a decreased weight or has a lower discount factor or weights. Okay, so gamma or discount factor is a weight later rewarder over the time. These are known as a discount factor. This is a return. This is the formula of the return. In the return, firstly, we have R0 is the first reward of the one eposit, is the rewarded of a first time step, plus by gamma R1, plus by gamma by 2 R2, 2 plus gamma by n Rn. When the rewarded is later and reach the later reward, the discount factor is decreased or lower, has a lower weight. Okay, this way cumulative reward do not grow initially as a number of time step. This is the reason for discount factor, because very large.
العفو دكتور، اكو بعض الطلاب جاي يدزون اضافه وما جاي يقبلون، يا ريت تقدمهم بالاضافه.
Okay.
ايوه عذرا.
It also encouraged the other reason of this kind factor is it's also encouraged the agent to care more about the immediate reward compared to later reward. The immediate reward has a high weight from later rewarded, okay? Since later rewarded will be more heavy discounted.
سيد جعفر اغلق المايك.
One factor. This is the one factor or one concept to help us answer the question, what action can be selected by agent? This is a return. One concept is a return, one component to help us, help agent to select the best action is a return. The action, the eposit can be selected, or the way can be selected that has a high return. Okay. And the difference between immediate reward and cumulative reward is the immediate reward is the cumulative reward. Reward that received earlier is better than same reward received later. For example, in this shape, this eposit that has 3 states and 2 reward is better than this eposit. Why? Because the immediate reward, the first reward of this eposit is 2, R2, and then R0. But in the second eposit, the first reward is 0 and the second is 2. So the first eposit is better because the gamma or discount factor, we have a discount factor. So the return of first eposit is the higher than the second eposit. Okay? Are you now?
So now, if we have within, if we have the دكتور I have a question
Yes.
for you.
Yes.
If we count the river, high number, the river, best river, or lower?
High
No,
number
in
of
this
return.
example, high number.
High number of return is best. Yes.
High number,
Of
the
return.
best.
Yes.
Okay.
High number the best, but in the formula of the return we show that we have discount factor, and for this discount factor, the reward that immediately reach has a high effect of on the return. Okay, because the gamma of first reward is higher than later rewarded. Rewarded that gives us the highest total return are better. This is the answer your question, Mr. Aswan. The rewards that give us the highest total return are better. Okay? So, in this shape, we show that we have two opposites. Okay, we have two opposites. In the first opposite, the first reward is 20, okay? But we don't know the others reward. So the others reward is lower, and the total reward has the, for example, are lower than 150, for example, 100, okay? But in the second opposite, the total reward or return is the 150. This shape say that the second opposite is better. Why? Because they have a larger total reward. They have larger total reward. If the R in the first time step is lower, but the total reward is higher, the opposite is better. The second opposite is better of the first opposite, because the total reward or return is important, no immediate reward in each time step. Okay? This is the explanation of is. The second point is that if the agent has to choose between getting some reward now versus getting a much bigger reward later, the bigger reward is most likely preferable. Because we want the agent to look at the total return rather than individual reward. Okay? The agent look to return, no look to individual reward. For example, in a game of chess, the agent has to pick the better of two paths in the first. It can kill off a few pieces early on by playing aggressively. That gives it some immediate reward. However, in the long run, that put it in a disadvantaged position and it loses the game. Okay, it is the first. But in the second, hence it gets a large negative reward at the end. Alternative, it can play a different set of moves which yield lower reward at first, but where it win in the game, it is the better, okay? And thus get a large positive reward and win. So we need the total, higher total reward that we called it return, no higher immediate reward. Okay, so the return or total reward is importance of immediate reward in the RL. Okay, this is the return.
You have an example about
Policy,
return?
Chess, in the chess, it is an example. Chess game.
الشطرنج شيخ.
Shatranj.
Yes, I
It
know.
is an example.
Yes, I know.
It is an example. And the second concept is a policy. What is the policy? Policy is second concept that we help to select the best action in the each time step. What is policy? Policy is the strategy followed to pick an action. It's a strategy of solving algorithm is the policy. For example, we have policy always pick the next action at random. It is a policy. No other policy always pick the next state that gives the highest known reward. It is a policy. Other policy take chance and explore new state in the hope of finding better path. It is a policy. Other policy always play it safe and avoid the chance of a negative reward. One of them is the policy. Policy is a strategy to pick the action. How to pick the action? By random, by the highest reward, by the lower reward, by chance. What we can follow the, we can pick up the action. It is a policy, okay? So how the agent, the policy say, how the agent decides which action to pick in a given state. It is a policy. It is a definition of the policy. The strategy of deciding agent, okay, it is a policy. Any strategy that the agent follows to decide which action to pick in a given state is called a policy. It is a definition, other definition of the policy. Although a policy is simply something that maps a given state to an action to be taken. We have an agent. It is an input of agent state. Output of agent is action. How can we get action in this state? It is policy. Okay?
Okay.
Policy is like a huge lookup table. What lookup table? You can think of policy as a huge lookup table which map a state to an action, each state to an action. For example, you know that we have 4 states and 3 actions. Each state can be selected A1 or A2 or A3, one of these actions. Okay, we are in the state 1 policy. One policy say in S1 selected A1, or in S1 selected A2, or in S1 selected A3, okay? Or other states. What is this? This is the probability of taking action A3 when in state S3. This is the probability. And so we have in the policy, we have a lookup table. This is the lookup table. We have a lookup table in a real RL problem. This is the huge lookup table. This is a huge table because we have some very state and action from a state. Okay, thus this is a huge table, huge lookup table. So given the current state, the agent look up the state in the table to find the action that it should be picked. When we have in a state, for example, state 2, we have some lookup table that each cell, in each cell, we know the probability of taking action, each action from this state. And we search this lookup table about policy and selected the best probability on the view of policy. Okay. For example, policy say us selected the selected the cell with highest probability. We can select this, or selected the cell randomly. We selected randomly. Okay, the policy say us which strategy we can select it. And this is its shape. S3, for example, we can state in S3 which action can be selected. This policy say this action is selected. The policy is like a huge lookup table. In practice, or in real world problem, we have a huge lookup table. So we can use function, not lookup table. In the real world, we can use a function, probability function, for selected the action, best action in the each state. Okay. We have two policies, deterministic and stochastic. We have two types of policies, deterministic and stochastic. What is deterministic and what is stochastic policy? Deterministic policy is a policy where the agent always chooses the same fixed action when it reach a particular state, okay? For example, it is a deterministic policy. State 1 in this state selected A1 with policy 1 and A2 with policy 0, okay? Or with probability 1 and A2 with probability 0. This is a deterministic. Always choose the same fixed action when they reach to S1, always choose A1 with probability of 1, okay? This is the deterministic policy. But in a stochastic, a policy where the agent varies, no fix, it is the varies to choose the state based on the probability of each action. For example, in this shape, we show that in S1, A1 can be selected by probability of 0.3 and A1 can be selected by probability of 0.7. No fix, it is selected by probability. It is the stochastic policy, but it is the deterministic policy. Other question, how does the agent get a policy? We know what is policy, but the question is
دكتورة،
how does the agent get a policy?
يا ريت تقبلينهم معذرة دكتورة.
ليش طلاب هالقد يعني يتأخرون؟
ما أعرف والله دكتورة، بس يعني هسه جاي يكتبون هم، يا ريت تقبلونهم.
بعد ما أقبلهم. المود احنا قررنا صايبة 11 هسه 11 لا 11 وربع 11 ونص هسه 12 وربع. هسه نخب اونلاين مو يعني حضور اللي يقولون احنا تأخرنا ما ادري ترافيق شي ماكو بعد اونلاين.
يعني دكتورة لين الأوضاع
بعد.
العفو دكتورة، اكو بعض الطلاب ترى يعني الكهرباء طافية عندهم ما يلتحقون بالإنترنت، فلهذا السبب هم ما عندهم أي قصور أتصور. لهذا السبب يعني اي نعم.
انتم عندكم مشكلة كهرباء؟
يعني هم عندنا بالكهرباء. نعم دكتورة، فرجاء الطلاب يعني اذا يدخلون هم المحاضرة هم ما عندهم اي قصور. شكرا جزيلا دكتورة.
اوكي no problem. Okay, other question. How does the agent get a policy? We know what is the policy. So, how does the agent get a policy? Which policy is be selected by agent? Randomly, highest probability, which policy? Okay, there are so many possible policy. Which one should be selected by the agent, or which one is be using by the agent. The action that the agent takes from the given state deterministic the reward it obtained, and therefore over the time the eventually total reward. We know that we have a total reward that be chosen as received by the environment, by the agent, okay? Hence, the goal of agent is to pick the action that maximize the return. Yes? This is a very important sentence. What is the goal of agent? The goal of agent is to pick the action that this action receive the maximize rewarded and maximize return or total rewarded during the time. So the agent's goal is to follow a policy that maximize its return. Okay. So the agent
this is
can be
also
selected
the
a policy that this policy maximize the return. Yes.
this is also the target for MDP, right?
Yes. MDP and RL is the same. No difference between it.
Yes.
So out of all the policies the agent could follow, it went to pick the best one. For example, the one which give it the highest return. In other, the agent need to compare two policies to decide which is better. Okay? Thus, agent need to compare two policies to decide which is better. So we need the value, the concept of value. What is value? The value tells you the expected return by following some policy. When the agent selected the action, it cannot know about the rewarded and or total rewarded. So we can need to expect that return. Okay, we can need to expect that return when selected the action by agent. The value, the concept of value, tell us the expected return by following the sum policy. If you following this policy, the expected return is, for example, 20. No is if you follow the policy 2, your expected return is 15. Or you selected the policy 3, your expected rewarded is 13, for example. Which of these is better? The policy that has the maximized expected rewarded. The value concept, the value is tell us the the expected return of each policy. Okay. Let's say the agent is in a particular state. Also, let's say the agent has somehow been given a policy P. Now, if it starts from the state and always pick up the action based off the policy, what is the return it could be expected? The value tell us. Our PCs under policy P, for example, is a 32, okay? And then we can select the best action for each state. So, So in the shape, we show that we have value for each state. For each state, we have value. And for each action, we have a state action value that we show it by Q. Value show by V, and state action value show by Q. It is a expected return obtained
دكتورة
from
العفو.
a particular state or state
العفو
action
دكتورة.
respectively.
اذا ماكو زحمه.
Yes.
شيخ غزوان
Yes.
اذا موجود بس يترجم لي، الله يبارك بعمرك شيخ غزوان.
عزيزي.
العفو
بس
دكتور.
لحظة
تكمل
خلي-
دكتورة.
هي أكمله بعد يعني فد نفر اللي زين يقدر يترجم
تمام.
بالعربي.
تمام
أوكي.
تمام. لا انا اقصد لا عندي استفسار لان راح اغادر بس عندي استفسار اذا ماكو زحمه دكتوره.
مو مشكلة، بس أكمل هالموضوع
تمام.
Thanks.
تمام حجي تمام.
Okay. What this is the state value of each state. We show it with V, and state action value show with Q. Is the expected return obtained from particular state or state action by following. This is مهم. This is important. Following the given policy over many opposites. Okay. So we have two type of value, a state value and a state action value. It is the state value. We know that the expected return from a given state by executing action based on a given policy. Policy P from the state onward. Otherwise, the state value function map a state to its value. It is a state value. And it is a lookup table of a state value. For each state, we have a value, okay? It is the expected return from a state S3, for example, following by policy P. And the other is the state action value or Q value. A state action value or Q value. It is the expected return by taking a given action from a given state and then executing action based on the given policy P after that. In other words, the state action value function map a state action pairs to its value. So we have a lookup table for this. For this, we have a lookup table. For each state, we have some action and we have a state action value for each state with each action. So we have expected return by each cell. We have expected return by taking action A3 from state S3 and following policy P after that. Okay, this is the state action value function map that we name it. So we know the value, the return, and the policy. And this is three concepts to help the agent to take the best action. Okay. Which one can be explained this in Arabic? Which one can be recognized very good and explain it in the Arabic?
Okay, دكتورة. Just can I ask Haji Yassin what he want?
Yes.
حجي ياسين قبل شوي سأل السؤال شنو سؤالك
يعني
كان؟
الله يبارك بعمرك. انا شويه
الله يحفظك.
اعتذر من الدكتوره لان عندي محاضره فراح التحق للمحاضره اللي عندي لان عندي درس والله.
تمام.
بس اريد انه اسالها بخصوص الماده. يعني انا بعد الاطلاع على الماده وجدت انه الماده بها جانب لفظي وبها جانب مسائل. نفس الداتا من ايضا امسكيوات لو شنو الاسئله اللي اقصد راح تنطرح ثانيه، اما تكون على شكل امسكيات ومسائل لو شنو الاليه مال هاي الماده. اتمنى الاجابه وشكرا جزيلا.
دكتور نور I think you know what he meaning.
افتهمت.
Okay.
شوف هسه ما اقدر اجاوب السؤال دقيق. على مود الشرايط مو معلوم الا يعني الشرايط يصير حضور يفرق كل شيء ولا يصير يعني اونلاين يفرق، ما ادري يعني ما حد ما يدري هسه شنو يصير. بس بالنسبه للماده يعني الماده مثل data mining بال يعني exam but هاي المادة RL الشرح بيها ورياضيات بيها أكثر من data mining. مسائل بيها أكثر. إيه.
مثل يصير السيطره يعني هاي يعني نتمنى انه خاطر واحد يصب قرايته على هذا الموضوع يعني لي
هذا الموضوع
يعني
مسائل أكثر بيها، مسائل ورياضيات أكثر بيها
انا اللي هذا
من data mining. data mining أكثر شان شرح.
العفو. اي نعم. اي انا هسه بعد
reinforcement مسائل أكثر.
يعني انا بعد الاطلاع قلت لك على الماده وشفتها انه شفت المسائل بها اكثر وبقوانين اكثر يعني، فاقصد انه احنا نلتجئ للمسائل والامسكيات اللفظيات لو شلون هاي بعدين تقرري ان شاء الله.
إن شاء الله شوية نروح نشوف الأوضاع شلون يصير.
ان شاء الله.
نقرر.
ان شاء الله. الله يبارك بعمرك.
بس هسه يعني المسائل أكثر، وبالهذا المادة المهمة اللي تعرفون المسائل وتعرفون الكونسبت.
ان شاء الله.
data mining كان يعني يعني انتم كنتوا مبتدئين بالاي اي، واحنا من يعني ما نقدر نقول المسائل اكثر.
ايوه انا عفوا دكتوره
يعني
انا صار لي تقريبا يومين قاعد اطلع على الماده، فشفت بيها جانب المسائل اكثر، ويعني لخصت مجموعه من المسائل، فحبيت انه اسال الدكتوره اهتمامنا يعني راح يصير بالجانب المسائل اكثر ام بالجانب اللفظي؟ هسه حسب جوابك تقولين المسائل اكثر، فاحنا بعد ننتظر من عندك الاجابه بالنسبه للجانب الثاني اللي هو الجانب النظري اللي هو الامسكيات.
ان شاء الله.
شكرا جزيلا وزاحمتك دكتوره، الله يبارك بعمرك.
الله
Okay. Doctor, I explain for all the students in Arabic. Okay.
Yes.
عندنا هسه الموضوع شرحته الدكتوره شباب.